Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Good morning, everybody. Thanks for joining us for this first official AMA that we're going to be having the first Saturday of every month. Today, we're going to be going over a few things, updating everybody on the status of the project, going over the gold paper, formerly known as the white paper, and kind of discussing what the next steps of the project are going to be. Currently we just passed our 3-month anniversary as a project. It's hard to believe that it's only been 3 months. It feels like it's been a lot longer than that. There's been so much done in such a short period of time. The team has been growing. We have some really good people working on the project now, and it's just been a very exciting project to be a part of, and I want to thank everybody personally that has joined the team, and the community has been great, and I can't thank everybody enough. So currently the project, we still have the Twitter giveaway going on. We're about 50% done with that. There's currently just over 500,000 tokens in circulation. Besides for the token giveaway, we've kind of put the brakes on everything. Now that the team and the community have grown so much, there's been so much feedback that's come in, and so many good ideas that we felt it was best to kind of put the brakes on everything and reassess the situation, reassess the white paper and gold paper, and to really take a look at everything, to gather all the information and questions and ideas from the community, and try to see if we can work that all into a stronger vision for the future. The website will eventually be updated. But as of right now, the main thing we're trying to do is just get through the Twitter giveaway. Once that's done, we're going to make sure that the gold paper and the white paper is done. And then we're going to bring that to the community and get feedback on that. And, really just take a look at everything before we relaunch this project, to be a little bit stronger. I'd like to welcome the core team members who have been really instrumental in helping me get this project up and running. I'd like to thank Reggie, who's kind of stepped in running operations. I'd like to thank Lowell, who is kind of overseeing all the content and social media. Wawa has been a huge help as an advisor, and Soja also as an advisor. I want to thank them. Currently, we are in talks with a couple developers. I don't want to say too much about that yet because I don't want to curse the situation, but as of right now, that's going really well, and hopefully next month I have some good news on the developer front. At the end of this AMA, if there's any questions, we'd be glad to answer them, but I'd like to just ask everybody to hold their questions to the end. So one of the main things we're going to be doing too is we're going to be building a community council. There's so many people that have come forward who want to help out with the project, that we want all those people to be incorporated into the decision-making process and everything. So we're going to be developing a community council that anybody who wants to be involved in this project can join and be a part of that. we're at the same time, we're also developing a core set of people who will be working with the Digital Gold Foundation, actually, taking up some roles and doing more of a structured help there. So once again, I just can't thank everybody enough. This Cardano community is amazing, and the Digital Gold community has also just been so amazing. So a heartfelt thank you to everybody. Currently, the gold paper is in the white paper, which we call the gold paper, is under construction. It's about 75% done. I'm not going to give a date on when that's going to be finished, because really at the end of the day, we want it to be the best document it can be, that really incorporates and covers all the vision and all the structure of Digital Gold. So hopefully that'll be done soon, but I'm not going to give a date on that right now. After that gold paper is finished, like I said earlier, we're going to release that to the community and get some feedback from the community. And once that gold paper, white paper is finished in concrete, we're going to take that gold paper and update the website with all the changes that have been made. This project every day becomes more of a community and team project, and that is much more than I ever expected it could be. Let's see here. We are also in the process of doing a proposal for Project Catalyst. That proposal is secondary to the white paper, gold paper right now. So as soon as the white paper and gold paper is done, we're really going to start to focus on the Project Catalyst proposal. We are going to be seeking funding to help get our social, economic, and gaming platform interface built. By seeking those funds, it'll allow us to hire the right people that we need to really make sure that we can develop a product that makes newcomers to crypto. It makes it easy for them to really use this product. So what we're trying to do is we want people who have never used crypto before to be able to use our dashboard interface in the easiest and simple way possible. One of the main hurdles that I always have when I try to get people to get into crypto is they say it's too complex. It's too much for them to handle. So, our value proposition in a way is creating a product that solves that problem, that really allows the non-techie person the ability to use the dashboard to get into crypto. So, that's why we're going to be going after the Project Catalyst funding. Once the gold paper and white paper done and the proposal for Project Catalyst is done, we're going to really start working on developing a new roadmap, one that really breaks down the path that we're going to be taking to make all this stuff come to fruition. Let's see. Other than that, that's the basic update right now for the project. If there's anybody who has any questions right now, I'd be really happy to answer those. No questions?
Yeah, if I can chip in one or two. I don't
Sure.
know if I'm allowed to.
Yeah, go ahead.
So thank you everyone once again for joining us in this call. My name is Lawal, and I'm part of the Digital Gold foundation and also one of the community members that is very much interested in the vision of digital gold. So, Dale, thank you very much for this very basic explanation about the core reason for the call and also where the project is at and where we are looking forward to hit the nail to. So I just want to chip in a little bit about our decision to go in for the Catalyst funding. In as much as this is a community-driven project, the outlook the team has taken to go into Catalyst or applying for Catalyst funding is to ensure that we make it more community-centric and to make it a little bit easier from the team perspective and also from the community perspective. In as much as we are trying to build all of these things, there is need for funding, and there is also need to, get developers and all of those. And all of those things are really, they are not easy. They are not less expensive to get. So, looking at the current situation in the market, stuff that are happening around the crypto community, we don't really want to go into that front where that token sales. So the team decided that we are going to go fully into product development. Also, the community before we really, start up. Hello? Hi.
Okay, Lowell, please continue.
Did we lose him? Oh, we lost him. But yeah, so the project is a you guys can hear me, right?
Yeah, I got you loud and clear.
Yeah, so the digital gold token is basically a 3-part token. The first part of it is it's an energy efficient replacement for Bitcoin on the Cardano blockchain. That's the first portion of it. The second portion of it is the social, economic, and gaming platform to really make newcomers to crypto have an easy time of getting into crypto. That's kind of the product that digital gold token has. And the third part of this is going to be charity. We're going to be a very charity-based token where we're going to be doing a lot to raise funds for different community projects where the community actually decides what charities we help. And, so the community is going to be everything for the digital gold token. Without the community, there is going to be no digital gold token. And then that's that way with any crypto. But just like everybody else, we're going to be really focused on getting the community involved in these things and trying to make our vision come alive by community involvement and really just following that stuff. Hey, you're back, Lowell.
Yeah, sorry guys.
No problem.
So just to add up to what I was trying to point out is that our delving into the Catalyst proposal funding stuff is just to make us more community centric. At some point we don't really have to go into depending on token sales to the community to really develop our product. So this is a call from the team to our immediate community to support us when that call comes to play. Very soon we are going to have all of those in place regarding the Catalyst funding, and yeah, we are going to need our collective support in regards to that. So
Right.
yeah, me-
And when you shorted out and disappeared there for a second, I kind of almost said the same thing as you were saying. So, yep, we're on the same page there.
absolutely.
Anybody else? Any questions, comments, concerns?
Yeah, and just to add up to that, to all of us join, present in this call. This is a call to also take in suggestions, questions, and whatever you have for the team. So the floor is all open for each and every one of us to bring in that suggestion and also ask whatever question you've been having about digital growth. Going forward, you are going to be seeing a huge reevaluation to the entire approach of the whole project. So, of course, it will all boil down to further scrutiny and further observation from the community. But then we are still asking for you people's suggestion to the current situation we are in with the project. So we really appreciate whatever any of you guys have for us.
Yeah, and I'd like to thank everybody for coming. Ed, Fish, hey, Alexandre. I've been trying to talk to you for weeks. How you been, man? Mohammed, thanks for coming. Well, if nobody's got anything further, we will be, like I said earlier, we're going to be doing these Zoom meetings the first Saturday of every month. Please come back and see the progress that we're making. And, in the future, if there's anything that you want to discuss, any ideas, we'd like to hear all of them. And, I appreciate everybody taking the time to come here and be on this call with us. Reggie, you have anything you want to say or?
Thanks, Dale. Hey, just a quick thanks to the community. I really appreciate everyone's support. Pretty much the vision that we have has been shared. And I can tell you, as mentioned, it really is based upon the community and the community input. Dale mentioned, about the kind of the structure that we'll use going forward to help build this program. Part of the community leadership, we're going to be looking for ambassadors from the different regions, Asia, Africa, Latin America, North America, to help us shape, especially the marketing to those regions. And so we'll be reaching out to people, or if you're interested in that type of a role, please let us know. And just the one last note, this project is committed to building something that will last and have a permanent mark on Cardano, and if not crypto, by developing this dashboard. And we as the folks that are helping to shape the project here in the beginning, pledge to you our ethical leadership to make sure that everything that we do is always in the best interest of this community, in the best interest of Cardano, and that we are always transparent with everyone. And I can tell you, I'm very proud to be part of this team and a part of this community. So once again, hey, thanks for joining us today. We're a small group, but we're a tight group. We'll grow over time, and as the project grows. But I can tell you, we have a great future ahead of us. So with that, Dale, I'll turn it back over to you.
Thank you, Reggie. I couldn't say it any better than that, man. I appreciate it. All right. Well, at this point, we're going to end the call. Thank you for everybody for coming, and we hope to see you next month. And we'll go from there. Thank you, everybody. Have a good day. Enjoy your Saturday.